Alright guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be making a bishop. Without further ado, let's begin. Alright, let's begin. So actually, this episode, this part, it will be exactly like the pawn, except that there's more ridges and it's kind of more complex. But yeah, it's nothing to worry about if you can do the pawn. So first, let's select it as usual. Select everything. And let's move it to the side. And as usual, we're gonna try to put it in the center. So yeah, about this much is good. Then we can add our trusty cylinder and then scale it down and put it right there. Okay, let's Control I, and I think we should move it a little bit more to the side. Okay, so let's scale it down. So SZ, then we can move it up a little bit. And then go into edit mode, select the top face. You can just select it in the face select, or you can also use the edge loop and then just select it like this. But anyways, we're gonna extrude it, so E and then S. If there's any settings from earlier videos, like for now there is a proportional edit, yours might be off depending on what you did last time, but my one is on right now, so I'm gonna turn it off. And I also can see that individual origins is selected, which will scale things individually, so we should change it to like bounding box center. So I think as these two settings, turn the proportional edit off and bounding box center should be good. Okay. So let's scale it down, extrude, scale it down. So it's gonna be the usual. So you just press E, S, E, S. I kind of have my two fingers like this, and then I just put it on the two keys so that I can do it very quickly. So I just keep going, E, S, E, S, E, S. E, S, E, S. Okay, let's keep going. Okay. Okay. And there we go, we got the bottom half. So now you can extrude it. This part you can maybe do like 1/3 of it. It's not exact, but yeah, about that much. Extrude, scale it. Let's zoom in right here. Okay, extrude, scale, extrude, scale, extrude, scale, extrude, scale. Okay, so we're just gonna extrude and scale around this ridge right here. Extrude it up, and also this ridge. So let's keep going. And this one's actually extra, but I'm gonna do it anyways, so yeah. Okay. Extrude, scale, extrude, scale. Oh, there we go. Extrude, extrude. Okay, so this is like the equivalent of the spear thing on the pawn's top. So we're gonna do the same thing. So there we go. Let's keep going. Extrude. Here's the last part. Oh, Control Z. I think that was a little too much. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Although one last thing, I feel like we should loop cut right here since it's kind of missing out right here. Okay. Looking good. So now we can do the last thing. Add a subdivision surface and then inset the bottom face. Scale it out and then also do the loop cut. And let's look from the side view, front view. Look if there's any parts that you might want to add. I think we should loop cut right here and slide it up since it was kind of smoothing it out and it wasn't looking that much like it. Okay, now you guys might think that we're gonna do this line, like if you look at common bishops, they usually have a line like cut into it. Now I'm doing it according to this reference, so we're not gonna use it. But for some people who wants to do it, I recommend you just adding a cube and putting it at the place you want it to cut and using a Boolean modifier if you know how to do it. But yeah, for the sake of this video though, we're not gonna do it, okay? So let's right click, shade smooth, and then add the material. And boom, our bishop is done. Well, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, maybe give it a like and subscribe. And also, we're almost hitting 100 subscribers. So yeah, this is very exciting. Okay, well, I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.